Welcome to our channel, Island Eco Vibes, where we delve into the wonders of nature. Today, join us on a journey deep into the heart of the forest, where we witness the enchanting sight of Indian paradise flycatchers caring for their precious chicks. Meet these magnificent birds, adorned in their striking plumage of white and black, with long, elegant tail feathers trailing behind them. Watch as the devoted parents tirelessly hunt for insects to nourish their growing brood, ensuring their chicks receive the sustenance they need to thrive. Witness the tender moments of care and affection as the parents gently feed and groom their fluffy chicks, fostering a bond that will last a lifetime. As the chicks grow stronger and more independent each day, we're reminded of the resilience and beauty of life in the forest, where every creature plays a vital role in the delicate balance of nature. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of the Indian paradise flycatcher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mesmerizing glimpses into the wonders of our natural world. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the magic of nature. This is Island Eco Vibes, signing off.